Back on the sawmill project. 4.5 inch square tubing. Looks like maybe 3/8 of an inch thick wall. Heavy duty for my gantry or my saw head, bandsaw head. Kind of like this piece here. Got to be able to handle a lot of tension. That was an earlier tension design for the blade tensioning system. I've revised it. I'm gonna do my blade tensioning on this end, my toe end camber on the idler wheel, idle wheel, whatever. I want to do it on the right side of the gantry, and the leveling of the bandsaw to the bed or the bunks where the log lays will be done on the far side. Simplified the system by redesigning it that way. And I think as soon as I get some cutting gas, I'll be able to start on that. Anyway, like I say, design and redesign. I've got one of that particular blade, 158 inches long, 1¼ blade, and I've got 10 just like it, only a little difference in the distance between the teeth. I'm going to whittle that down to 8 just like it, except for the teeth measurements. Take 2 of them, splice them longer, and go from a 26-inch maximum cut between the blade guides to a 36+ inch, and go from a 36-inch log clearance between my uprights on my gantry to 42-inch. I should be able to clear a 42-inch, which is 3.5 foot wide log, and at least 36 inches between my blade guides. With my gantry being 6 foot and my blades top to bottom 20 inches, I'm just going to say 24. That'll give me 4 foot from the top of the bunks to the bottom of the blade, so I'll be able to clear over the top of the log 4 foot tall, roughly. And with the measurement between the center of the shaft and the bottom of the pillar blocks, I'll be able to go the 10 inches, roughly 10 inches between the center of the shaft here out, plus at least 2 inches below or more, 2.5, 3 inches. My depth of cut into a cant can be as much as 1 foot deep. So I'll be able to cut beams roughly 24 to 30 foot long 3 foot wide and maybe 1 foot thick. Not that I'll be needing to do that, but the biggest tree I have on the place here is roughly 32 inches at the base. A loblolly or yellow pine. Anyway, that's the update on the sawmill. Gotta drop this to do another little project till I get cutting gas. So that's it on the mill for now.